Posters with bullet holes, comments about beheading officers, just some of the postings on social media about retired Detective Keith Sande and APD Officer Dominic Pettis.
We have had concerns for Keith's safety since the beginning of this whole incident. There's been a number of threats online, and so we're very concerned about it. We've expressed that to the judge.
At a hearing this week, the officers were no-shows in court. Their lawyers telling the judge the court has to increase security when the officers are present because they've had their lives and the lives of their family members threatened. The state questioned that.
If they have any written threats, we sure would like to see them, because I know that representation's been made, but we've never seen anything that has been threatening to either one of these officers.
So today, defense attorney Sam Bregman sent a letter to the special prosecutor with a sample of those threats. Target 7 obtained a copy of it. It asks the state to ensure the safety of the officers. The letter also asks the court to amend the conditions of their release while they're awaiting trial so Sande and Pettis could possess firearms, something they're currently not allowed to do.
You have to consider these threats serious. We know that other people across this country have carried out these type of threats against police officers. I'm very concerned about the well-being of Keith Sande and his family and Dominic Pettis.
Bregman says the threats began days after the shooting of James Boyd in March 2014. The state says Boyd was surrendering and had agreed to come down the mountain after a 3-hour standoff. The defense says Boyd had a violent criminal history and the two officers shot him to protect a fellow officer less than 10 feet from Boyd when he pulled out knives. Bregman is not only asking for a change of venue in this case, he's also asking the state to investigate threats against the officers.
The special prosecutor has some broad powers. It's time for her to investigate these people and make sure that our clients are safe.
Attorneys for Officer Dominic Pettis say tomorrow they are filing an affidavit, letting the court know exactly how many times his life has been threatened as well. Special Prosecutor Randi McGinn declined an interview but says she believes it's inappropriate to release this information to the media to, quote, try and influence a jury pool. She also cited a recent Washington Post article that claims violence against police officers nationwide is down. For Target 7, I'm Nancy Laughlin.